I giorni della settimana. The Italian names for the days of the week, like those in many Romance languages, have their roots in Latin and Roman mythology. Most days are named after planets and the associated Roman gods. Breakdown of the names and their origins. Lunedì, derived from lunedì-is, meaning day of the moon. La luna. Martedì comes from martis dies, meaning day of Mars. Marte. Mercoledì comes from mercurii dies, meaning day of Mercury. Mercurio. Giovedì from Jovis dies, meaning day of Jupiter. Giove. Venerdì, named after the Roman goddess Veneris, and it originates from Veneris dies, meaning day of Venus. Venere. Sabato, the Romans named Saturday Dies Saturni, for the god Saturn. Domenica has remained largely unchanged from the Latin Domini Dies, meaning day of God. 5 of the Italian days of the week end in D, which is easy to remember because it sounds like day and is a poetic way of saying day in Italian. Buondì. In Italian, the definite article is used with days of the week when referring to all instances of that day. Il martedì vado in palestra. All the days of the week except domenica are masculine in gender. La domenica vado al parco. The days of the week are not capitalized except when they begin a sentence. Don't forget to like and subscribe and contact us for more information.